Can anyone tell, like, by seeing a cell, how can you say it will be a plant cell, it might be an animal cell?
Vacuole will be huge in plants.
Yeah, yeah. And in animals?
It will be either small or it will not be present.
Close to the answer. Any other answer?
Ma'am, cell wall is present in plant tissue and cell wall is not present in the animal tissues.
Yes, yes. Then, okay. See, when you take the cell, this will be prominent in animal cell. Yes or no?
Ma'am, I was saying that nucleus is prominent in animals and in plants it is not that prominent.
Yeah,
Small.
yeah, absolutely. So when you take the plant cell, you'll have huge vacuole. Okay, that's a major difference. So when we talk about tissue, we are talking about a group of cells. So that's why we are discussing the major difference between an animal cell and a plant cell. Major difference we are talking. Okay, this is the first difference. Other than that, the animal cell will not have cell wall. Okay, so the cell wall is absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. There's a major other difference. So other than that, in general, if we talk, most of the tissues in plants are dead. For example, we discussed much about the xylem. We discussed there are more dead tissues in xylem. But when we take animal tissues, maximum all tissue in animals are living. There won't be any dead tissue in animal. Even if it will be removed. Okay? So the dead tissue will be removed and it will not give any support to the animal body. But in case of plants, some of the dead tissue will give mechanical support like the xylem tissue and phloem tissue. So this is a major difference when we talk about tissue nature. The nature of tissue in plants is most of the cells in plant tissues are dead, whereas all the tissues in animals, all the cells in animals are living. That's another difference we can talk. Then, other than these major differences, when you take the plant being a stationary one, it is an immovable organism. So here when we talk about plant, the cells or tissues in plant are in growing condition only at particular places. This statement is defined if you take the root tip. So we discussed about the root tip meristematic cell, shoot tip meristematic cell. I hope you remembered all those words, the meristematic tissue and all. So in plants, the growing tissues are particularly at only some places. Like the root continuously grows, the shoot which continuously grows. But when we take the animal cell or animal body, it will be continuously in motion. It's a movable one. It will be always in movement and search for food or something, shelter like that. So here when we take the tissues in animal, the growing tissues in animals are present all over the body. They're not just present at some part. You will find all over the body the growing tissues present in animals. Whereas the growing tissue in plants are restricted to some parts particularly. Clear? These are the some differences between plant and animal tissues. The major differences which we are here in this concept. Because when we talk about animal tissue, we are having only animal tissues, not like the different kinds of plant tissues. Okay, clear?